Thank you, IIT Guwahati. Thank you, you all. I'm feeling good. Thank you.
नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार
नमस्कार
Yes,
नमस्कार
So, ma'am, is it the first time you're visiting Assam? I am. Yes?
Yes, I mean, I've been to Bagdogra. That is the closest I can.
Okay. And this is the closest I can get to UPSC. No, actually, नहीं ठीक हो सर. Okay. First of all, this is Aarti Shushmita inviting you guys and for this panel. And honestly, this panel couldn't be more inspiring on this International Women's Day to have you guys here. Ma'am, who is the epitome of women empowerment, and sir, who is the pillar of women empowerment.
सब लोगों को इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. It's really important. And thank you, Sushmita, for mentioning about Tanu. Those of you who are not aware, this industry, as we call it, mentoring and other industries, are very man-centric, sometimes misogynist industry. And surviving there and doing so well, Tanu, you definitely deserve applause. Thank you.
Sir, once again, thank you so much again. But I would also want to know, sir, when you conduct the interviews. So have you met anyone from Assam? Any aspirant from Assam?
Well, there are many, but then, for example, all of you know the IIT Guwahati person proposed to this glass of water. I was very in that particular mock interview, and you all know Akshat Jain is definitely a wonderful bureaucrat now, actually, but he was wonderful as interviewee and stuff.
Okay, sir.
IIT Guwahati redesign. Any people from design?
A lot of enthusiasm, sir. People are really happy to have you guys here. So, this is Creators Camp again. We are going to ask you about everything that these guys, there are so many aspirants that I got to know, and they have a lot of questions. We're going to go there, move there. But before that, we also have to see the creators side because it's a creator camp. So, shall I say that you guys have somehow turned into influencers? Ma'am.
Well, we get influenced by everything that happens around us. So we earlier it was parents, teachers, when things were offline, we get influenced by the offline things in our life. Now that we spend a lot of time on phones, social media, so definitely whatever we see, whatever we hear, we get influenced. So I will not say that the sharing is more easy. So now everybody is an influencer because if we start liking something, people will make more of it. They will get influenced by that decision. So we all are influencers in some sense.
अगर IIT गुवाहाटी ये चाहता होता कि मैं आप पर वास्तव में ईमानदार कमेंट कर सकूं, तो ऑडिटोरियम में भी कुछ लाइट होती.
तो लेकिन एक बार वो डायलॉग
मैं सिर्फ यही कह सकता हूं सुष्मिता कि यह कहने का आपका तरीका बहुत क्या
This is mic drop, guys. Mic drop. Thank you so much, sir. ये कहने के साथ साथ मेरा डन बस काम हो गया मेरा. मैं चली जाती हूँ यहाँ से. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. इस dialogue के लिए. Now I have to ask ma'am. Ma'am, working and then you decided to retire from it. After 7 years, you decided to be a teacher, an educator. So ma'am, what motivated you to motivate students?
So ये बात तो बहुत बार हम कर चुके हैं.
तो हमने किया. कह दीजिए ना हमने किया.
सर वो तो आपको बड़ा हिस्सा तो लगेगा ही. जब तक वुमेन्स डे पे किसी मेन को अगर हम सक्सेस का श्रेय किसी मेन को ना दे कैसे चलेगा? ऐसे
बहुत सा लेना.
So the thing is, so I was working, and I took some interviews at Drishti, and then I started teaching, and I liked it. But the major thing was that I realized that there is some problem. The problem is that colleges and universities, they give us degree, but they don't prepare us for the competitive world. The world where we give exams, like UPSC, SSC, lot of exams there are. And there is a coaching industry. Like industry. So there is a coaching industry where people are teaching, they are getting, students are learning a lot of things, but there is no recognition of it. वहाँ पे कोई रिकॉग्निशन ही नहीं है. बच्चे ने 3 साल पढ़ाई करी, हिस्ट्री पढ़ ली इतनी जितनी की हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स वाले ने नहीं पढ़ी, लेकिन कोई रिकॉग्निशन नहीं है. So the idea was to align both the things, whereby I won't say that I can change any drastic thing and I wanted to create an impact. I don't want to go cliched about it, but I thought that there is an idea where I should try to contribute something with Tathastu, in the sense there we are trying that people should do degrees, certificates along with coaching. So simple, nothing too cliched. So this is what I wanted to do. So I did, because I have one life, and whatever I will want to do, I will do it.
Wow. Also, it is International Women's Day, and I hope I do not get to question this question again 20 years down the line. But woman to woman, what I'm trying to ask, and maybe there are so many women out there who are aspirants. So, ma'am, is it difficult for women to, manage both things?
Extremely difficult. I will not say difficult, but challenging, yes. It requires a lot of planning, it requires a lot of help from family. So until and unless, and there is an old saying that behind a man's success there is a woman. And I'll say behind a woman's success there are families.
Wow.
So you have to have a very good family. I am here sitting because my child, I have 2.5-year-old, and he is as naughty as any 2.5-year can get. So my mother is taking care of her in Kolkata. I was earlier in Kolkata. I came from there. And when my mother is not there, my mother-in-law, she takes care of him all the day while I'm at office. So it requires my father-in-law, my father, the full family. So, and my husband, so whenever he's in Delhi, he's currently posted in Jabalpur, whenever he's there, he helps me out. Like, अच्छा आपका कोई event है, आपको कहीं जाना है, he makes sure that he looks after the child. So the full family support is there, and that is why I am here. And when I find that certain women want to rise, want to do something, and they do not get the required support, then I will not say the mistake is only of that woman. The mistake is of that complete ecosystem which is not supporting. Because can she leave her child alone at home?
Of course not.
She can't. And if she has to go to office, if she has to go somewhere, she needs someone to look at. क्योंकि आप किसके भरोसे छोड़ के जाओगे 2 साल के बच्चे को, 3 साल के बच्चे को? Because we cannot destroy the future generation just for our dreams. So we have to have that ecosystem. So I'll say when I stand here, I'm not alone. There are super amazing people, amazing women, my mother-in-law, and my mother, who have been there with me all the time, taking care of me and my baby and everything else. Thank you.
Wow. Beautifully said, ma'am. And like you had said, a woman needs entire family to support her. I hope you guys are listening. Guys are listening, right? Yeah.
I'll say one more thing. It takes a very courageous man, or a boy, whatever you want to call yourself, a very courageous, bold and self-assured man to handle a successful independent lady.
I've been teaching gender for decades now, and we have been telling everyone that अगर आप वास्तव में सफल स्त्री के साथ जीना सीख लेते हैं, तो इसका मतलब है कि आप यू एक्चुअली बिकम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. अदरवाइज हम पुरुषों को, इट्स इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे, आई मस्ट से, हम पुरुषों को पहले दिन से दरअसल इतना डीह्यूमनाइज किया जाता है द प्रोसेस ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन दैट वी आर स्केयर We are scared of successful women. So obviously, I mean, I do remember my family and I mean my partner and things like that. I remember that how difficult it is for us to first come out of the denial. पहले तो ये मानना कि हमारा सोशलाइजेशन ऐसा हुआ है कि हम सफलता पचा नहीं पाते हैं, सहयोगी बन नहीं पाते हैं. And then obviously the second step then where we have to take initiative. It is definitely damn difficult and I think it will take a few generations, not a few years, before we come out of that denial and start becoming a little human.
Wow. That's really good, sir. Thank you so much. And here moving ahead with our questions. So, like you are one of the reasons, like I said, you're one of the pillars of women empowerment. You have been inspiring and motivating women out there, or men out there, people out there. So, sir, why did you choose this? You know, in the era, in the world where people can discriminate and troll other people and just pull other people down, how did you choose to be that ray of hope where you motivate people?
Sushmita, honestly, it's still a little difficult because the whole crowd is already thinking in a particular direction. But I honestly don't believe that we need separately a category called motivators. Honestly, I don't
Yes,
believe.
there is no motivation. It's always realism, I think.
So, honestly, that's the situation here, because you need to understand why in the fields you are associating us with, why do we need motivation there? I'll be taking a minute here. I'm sorry, stretch a bit. लेकिन इस बात को सोचिए कि हम लोगों को in certain competitive fields like JEE, आप सब लोग JEE advanced clear करके आए हैं, you know how quota factory works. And similarly, the coaching industries in civil services, medical and things like that. Why do we need extra motivators? It is simply because if you're doing something which you want to do, you don't need extra motivation. A musician will not ask for motivational speaker to, चलो पहले 15 मिनट motivate करो, उसके बाद मैं गाना गाऊँ. No, right? Why do we need motivational speakers or motivators when we are doing JEE, we are doing NEET, we are doing IAS? Because the fact is, it is not our dream. It's a dream society, it's a dream family, it's a dream other ecosystem is imposing on us. We have handful of dreams, 4, 5, और सारा का सारा 140 करोड़ लोगों का देश जिसमें 50 करोड़ यूथ है, वो सबका सब if gonna follow only 4, 5 dreams, then obviously you will be on low on motivation every other day. You will be asking for additional motivational speaker to give you motivation shots, like you take. No, none of you take. लेकिन बाकी लोग जो वो dope वाले shots लेते हैं, आपको नशे की जरूरत पड़ती है क्योंकि you are doing something which you actually never wanted to do. You were told that you have to do it. You end up doing it. And that's why you need those motivational shots every other day. I, as a teacher, don't believe that motivating specifically candidate students is my task. But yes, you rightly mentioned about discrimination. I will add 2 more words. One is deprivation and other is privileges. We need to be certain that what are our privileges. These privileges are coming because of certain caste, certain classes, certain other resources we might have. We need to be mindful of these. For example, I am sitting in front of you, I am able to speak to you because when I was born in 1972, from 1975 to 1998, I was studying in public funded education. The University of Delhi, the government schools and other places. These were my privileges. And these privileges ensure that I'll be able to talk to the IIT Guwahati people in 2023-24. ये privileges वो कर्जा है मेरे ऊपर, which I need to repay. And similarly, there are other things. For example, she just mentioned about the deprivations of being born as a woman. There are deprivations. There are deprivations of caste. There are deprivations of other deprivations. So we need to understand that our successes are not a function of only individual hard work. They are also function of our deprivations, our privileges, and similarly there are discriminations in the society. So unless we handle all these variables, success will be dream. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो मेरा काम सिर्फ इतना होता है कि मैं क्लास में बच्चों को बता सकूं कि आपके खिलाफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कौन सी है, आप कौन से डिस्क्रिमिनेशंस करते हैं, आपके प्रिविलेजेस कौन से हैं, आपके डेप्रिवेशंस कौन से हैं। अगर आप इन वेरिएबल्स को अच्छे से समझेंगे तो आप डिस्क्रिमिनेशंस को अपनी सक्सेस से रोकने नहीं देंगे और अपने प्रिविलेजेस को अपने सर पर चढ़ने नहीं देंगे।
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So now coming back to again asking about the interviews that we see on YouTube. So sir, is it true that you kind of figure out how the person is the moment the person walks in the door and sits on the chair?
See, I've been saying it. I mean, I cannot be self-boasting like it कि मुझे तो पहले से पता था. No, it doesn't work like that. Though Tanu will agree, it is true. The moment a candidate walks in and he or she is in 3 or 4 minutes into the conversation, we fairly understand कि ये दरअसल मटेरियल क्या है, right?
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
वो मटेरियल उसके बाद का 26-27 मिनट केवल उसको और ज्यादा प्रूव करने में इस्तेमाल होता है. That's true. But at the same time, you need to understand that this eye, ये नजर कि आप 2 मिनट में, 3 मिनट में या 4 मिनट में अनुमान लगा लेते हैं, इसमें आने में 20-22 साल लगा है. I've given 20 years plus to this thing, doing it year after year. हर साल 200 से 500 लोगों को से मिलना जिन लोगों ने मेंस क्लियर किया है और आप उनकी पर्सनालिटी को पढ़ना, इससे ये अनुमान लग जाता है कि दरअसल ये एक कन्वेयर बेल्ट से निकला हुआ प्रोडक्ट है या इसके अंदर ओरिजिनलिटी बची हुई है या नहीं, इसने अपनी ज़िंदगी की मुश्किल हालातों को कैसे हैंडल किया है, या केवल अंडे की ट्रे में जैसे अंडे को बचा के रखा जाता है उस किस्म का केवल पर्सनैलिटी है. सो अनलेस ऑफ कोर्स यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू पीप इनटू द पर्सनैलिटी, समटाइम ऐसा भी होता है, बट इफ यू आर अलाउड टू पीप इनटू द पर्सनैलिटी यू आर एबल टू रीड इट.
Wow.
Sometimes there are surprises also, sir. Exceptions.
Okay. So sir and ma'am, both of you, आप लोग ने इतने लोगों का इंटरव्यू लिया है, कभी कभार क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारे लोग जो है कि फेम की वजह से आते हैं, कि ना एक पोस्ट की वजह से आते हैं, कि रियली दे कम फॉर नॉट फॉर सर्विंग द सोसाइटी? कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि जस्ट फॉर द फेम दे कम? कभी ऐसा आपको लगा हो?
Also give the inside one. You work in service.
So we have to first understand the human psychology. So human psychology works that whenever, so ask, so many students are there, rather you yourself as a person. So when you form a aim, what do you look for your aim? क्या सोचते हो आप कि मेरा एम में मुझे क्या चाहिए आपको? अगर मैं आपसे अभी पूछूं क्या चाहिए, tell me.
I want to become the famous RJ of the city or maybe like India.
Fame. Okay, next.
Answer for this, I want a lot of money because I want to open like a dog shelter. Yeah.
Something for a cause.
Something for a cause.
For a cause.
Yes.
What else?
I want opportunities.
Opportunities to work, to find some worthful work.
Yes.
So this is what most people are motivated with. They want to have a social status in society. एक बच्चा है जिसने देखा कि मैंने बड़ी मुश्किलों से मेरे माता पिता ने मुझे पढ़ाई करवाई, लेकिन एक अंकल है या एक आंटी है जो कहीं सर्विसेज में है, उनकी बड़ी रिस्पेक्ट हो रही है सोसाइटी के अंदर, तो वहीं से उन्हें एक एम मिल गया, ये बनना है. फिर स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए. उसके बाद ऐसा लगता है कि ये एक जगह है जहाँ से मैं अच्छा काम भी कर सकता हूँ, अथॉरिटी पावर ये सब रहेगी और डिसेंट सैलरी भी है, गवर्नमेंट का प्रोटेक्शन रहेगा. बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ों से बच्चे मोटिवेट होते हैं. और कुछ बहुत छोटा नंबर है जो इसलिए भी आता है कि मतलब सब अच्छा काम करना चाहते हैं. नियरली मुझे लगता है शायद 5-6 लोग ऐसे 5-6% लोग होते होंगे जो एकदम ही निहायती इसी इंटेंशन से आते हैं कि अब तो जाके सरकार को देश को बर्बाद ही कर देंगे, यार मुझे नहीं पता आते भी है कि नहीं, या फिर एकदम करप्शन ही करके मचा देंगे. तो इंटेंशन नियरली सबकी होती है कि हाँ ठीक है, वी विल डू सम गुड वर्क, definitely some also get attracted with this richness of few bureaucrats, है ना, illegal richness. So they also get attracted by some people get attracted by that. But overall, अब उनकी मोटिवेशन खराब भी किसने करी? अगर घर के अंदर बच्चा तैयारी कर रहा है तो पहले दिन से दूसरे दिन से रिश्तेदार बोलने लग जाते हैं, अरे डीएम साहब बन रहे हो, हमें टेंडर दिला देना, है ना. आपका रिलेटिव भी बात करने लगेगा, आप मौसा जी के पास जाओ, किसी के पास जाओगे वो बोलने लगेंगे, अरे हमारा काम करा देना, देखो बनने के बाद हमें भूल बच जाना. अब ये कौन फीड कर रहा है हमें? अरे अब वो क्यों ऐसा आपकी आंटी बगल की आंटी बोल रही है, अरे इनका लड़का या इनकी लड़की तो बन गई, अब तो पैसा ही पैसा है. कहाँ से आ रहा है भाई पैसा? सरकार की सिर्फ सैलरी है, डिसेंट सैलरी है लेकिन सैलरी है. तो वो मोटिवेशन सोसाइटी से ही आ रही है, वही एस्पिरेंट्स में आ रही है और वही रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है. तो वी विल हैव टू सी कि बच्चा खराब नहीं. जहाँ तक कोशिश हमें करनी चाहिए कि बच्चे के रियल इंटेंशंस अगर बहुत ज़्यादा खराब नहीं है तो वी शुड नॉट जज, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस इवॉल्व ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस. अगर आप मुझसे पूछो कि मैं क्यों गई थी सिविल सर्विसेज में, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अंदाज़ा नहीं था उस वक्त पे कि डीएम क्या करता है या सिविल सर्वेंट्स क्या करते हैं. मैं AFHQ सिविल सर्विसेज से होंगे, वहाँ पे आर्मी के अंदर डिफेंस के अंदर क्या किया जाता है मुझे नहीं पता था. मैं तो गई थी कि हाँ सोशल स्टेटस बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, रिस्पेक्ट बहुत मिलती है, सब बात मानते हैं, अच्छी चीज़ है, चलो सिविल सर्विसेज दे देते हैं. तो माई मोटिवेशन ऑल्सो इवॉल्व, और अब इतनी ज़्यादा इवॉल्व होगी कि छोड़ ही दी. तो सो इट इवॉल्व्स. वी डोंट हैव टू जज एवरीबडी एवरी टाइम.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. One question that one of my friend wanted to ask you. तो there is like a taboo कि आपके अगर बॉडी में टैटू हो तो you will not get qualified for UPSC. Ma'am, sir, is it true?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
There are only few services where tattoo is forbidden, which has to do with the intelligence thing. And their civil servants directly are not recruited for intelligence agencies. So it is only handful of maybe a police service officer or a railway protection service officer or other services officer who may choose to get into intelligence thing. There it may be a problem, but it's not a primary. Initially, it's not looked at कि आपकी body में कोई tattoo लगी है.
Okay, so this is like a confusion that goes around from corner to corner.
There are many regarding civil services.
Okay. So sir, ma'am, this is the last question that I would like to ask, and then I'll give it to these guys. So, if you were given a chance to go back to your younger self and give one advice, what would that be?
मुझे नहीं पता, आप तो यंगर अभी तक हैं. Well, if I have to advise myself, let's say 30 years ago or 35 years ago, I don't think I'll be changing anything drastic here, but the things I've learned about gender in later part of it, I would have preferred doing it a lot earlier. I do remember when I was still a student and my sister wanted to join a NCC camp. I suddenly became a bada bhai, though I was a chota. She was elder than me, but I suddenly became as if I have to protect her. नहीं इसे वहाँ नहीं जाने देना चाहिए. It will not be safe and all. And I regret that moment till now. Making it to the larger thing, the things we have learned in college, things I have learned as a teacher. There are many things which I believe I should have learned as a student, especially in terms of sensitivity towards marginalized. That includes about that is one thing I would like to change about it. What I'm saying is that I was a typical misogynist Chauhan Sahab earlier. I'm becoming a human being of late.
Thank you, sir.
So if I go to my still more younger self, I would like to tell myself two things. Be more bold, because I learned it later that boldness takes you everywhere. Second, I would like to say myself that learn more. The more you learn, the more value you create for your own self, for others, for everyone else, और बहुत बहुत बाद में जाके समझ में आता है। पहले हमें ऐसा लगता है कि शायद बहुत सारे अफसरों को ये गलत फहमी होती है कि कोई हमसे कुछ काम करा लेगा, है ना। बहुत सारे लोगों को फ्रेंड्स में बहुत गलती होती है, मैंने उसे 2 बार ज़्यादा पानी पिला दिया, है ना, अब उसकी बारी है ना, वो पिछली बार उसने मैंने पे किया था, अब उसकी बारी है। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे अंदर एक जैसे कहते हैं ना बदला सट्टी के जीन्स रहते हैं, गुण रहते हैं कि बदला सट्टी हुई कि नहीं हुई पूरी। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें वो फलदार पेड़ की तरह ही रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हमारे फल खत्म हो जाएंगे तो लोग पत्थर भी नहीं मारेंगे। तो हमें फलदार पेड़ ही बने रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि फलदार पेड़ के पास ही तो कोई आता है। अगर आपके पास कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है देने के लिए तो क्यों आएगा कोई, और अकेले खड़े रहो कोने में। तो इसीलिए लर्न मोर, क्रिएट मोर वैल्यू, एंड द यंगर वी आर, more we can learn, more value we can create as we grow old.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much.
लेकिन अगर आगे की जनरेशन इवॉल्व ही नहीं होगी तो कभी चेंज नहीं होगा ना। द वे योर ग्रैंडफादर माइट हैव had the kind of relationship with your grandmother, that will not be the same between your father and mother, and your wife will, you and your wife will have a different kind of a friendship or a kind of a, behavior towards each other. And we do not expect that my child will have the same. He will have something other, but definitely the evolution needs to be there. I will not say that do not or judge or do not judge your father, but I will say when you are there and if you believe in something, do it. Because if you do not change, things will never change. कभी कोई चेंज करता ही नहीं अगली जनरेशन में, तो आज भी हम लोग वही पुराने सती सिस्टम या बहुत सारी चीज़ें फॉलो कर ही रहे होते। किसी ने तो चेंज किया ना, किसी ने हिम्मत उठाई, करा। ऐसा होगा भी, आप कुछ चेंज करने जाओगे बोलेंगे अच्छा बड़ा भगत सिंह बन रहा है, ये हो रहा है वगैरह वगैरह। तो एक पुरानी कहावत भी है कि भगत सिंह सबको चाहिए लेकिन अपने घर में नहीं, है ना। ये भी प्रॉब्लम, चैलेंजेस आपको फेस करने पड़ेंगे। तो इफ यू बिलीव इन समथिंग एंड यू बिलीव इन इट वेरी स्ट्रांगली, देन यू डू इट।
But ma'am, what about like today's generation? They are faking feminism. What about it? Like men's, like mainly men's can understand.
Absolutely. So definitely, I do not say कि men's को क्यों hate करना, उनकी क्या गलती है?
वही तो है।
नहीं, उनकी क्या गलती है? भाई बिल्कुल गलती नहीं है। मैं तो बल्कि मैंने अभी पीछे एक जगह कहीं पे बात हो रही थी तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आप फेमिनिस्ट हैं, मैंने कहा बिल्कुल नहीं। तो क्योंकि भाई बात ये है कि भाई मैन की गलती है इसलिए नहीं, क्योंकि अगर मेरे राइट्स हैं तो मुझे प्रोटेक्ट करने हैं, मुझे आवाज़ उठानी ही पड़ेगी। अगर बच्चा ना रोए तो माँ भी दूध नहीं देती, माँ दूध पिलाती है नहीं, बच्चा रोता है ना, अरे आजा आजा बेटा अब चुप हो जाएगा। तो अगर मैंने ही कभी नहीं बोला कि मुझे ये चाहिए, तो शायद किसी सबने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि हाँ नहीं चाहिए होगा, ये तो नॉर्म है। और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ हम मेल फीमेल के विषय में कह रहे हैं, दिस इज द जनरल साइकोलॉजी, दिस इज द जनरल सोशल बिहेवियर। अगर हम घर के साथ फैमिली के साथ डिनर पे जाते हैं, ठीक है, 4 लोग जा रहे हैं, एक ने बोला मैं पाव भाजी खाऊंगा, एक ने बोला ये खाऊंगा वो खाऊंगा, एक व्यक्ति ने बोला मैं जो तुम खाओगे वही खा लूंगा। ऐसा 10 बार हुआ। 11वीं बार क्या पूछोगे उस बंदे से तुझे क्या खाना है, क्या मांगोगे? भाई जो ऑर्डर करेगा वो तो वही खाएगा। अब उस आदमी के साथ क्या हुआ कि उसकी चॉइसेस रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो गई, है ना। उसने चूज करा कि इस तरीके से अपनी चॉइस ना रखना। तो आई विल नॉट से इट्स एन एंटायर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एनी जेंडर, बट येस व्हाटएवर देयर वाज, व्हाटएवर देयर इज, इट नीड्स टू बी चेंज्ड। और अगर कुछ गड़बड़ है तो ठीक किसे करनी है? अब कोई ऊपर से उतर कर तो आएगा नहीं हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स ठीक करने, हमें ही सॉल्व करनी है। वी नीड टू डिस्कस, वी नीड टू एक्ट एंड वी नीड टू सैक्रिफाइस। अगर मेल्स को ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं पे प्रॉब्लम है, अगर वो अपनी ईगो सैक्रिफाइस ना करें तो कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, चीज़ें नहीं चेंज होगी, बल्कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बढ़ जाएंगे। वो है ना, मैं एक क्वेश्चन भी पूछती हूँ बल्कि इंटरव्यूज में कि अगर वुमेन इंडिपेंडेंट हो गई हैं, पढ़ाई ज़्यादा हो रही है, तो डाइवोर्स रेट बढ़ गए हैं, क्यों बढ़ गए हैं? तो अगर उसके अंदर गलती एजुकेशन की है तो आपके प्रॉब्लम है।
it is also important to understand that it is true that all kind of discrimination is product of its own system. There is no doubt about it. So you are right when you are saying that मेरी क्या गलती है या लड़कों की क्या गलती है, पुरुषों की क्या गलती है. But at the same time, it is also important to understand that any change is also a product of the ecosystem. So in any society, these two forces work at the same time. It is your choice that you are being with the atrocious system or you are being with a system that is changing. That choice you have to make. You want to become another patriarch who want the perpetuation of patriarchy, or you want to be a small contributor to the system that opposes patriarchy. And we men have greater onus than our fellow counterparts to be part of the system that has to be changed. Why? Because ultimately we are benefiting out of it. It is difficult for us to leave our privileges, our entitlements, which somehow we have snatched. तो हम लोगों को इस बदलाव वाले सिस्टम का हिस्सा बनना पड़ेगा. अकेले तो होगा नहीं, एक पीढ़ी में भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन कम से कम इंटेंशन तो एक्सप्रेस करना.
सर एक कैंपेन चला देते हैं, गिव इट अप कैंपेन. पेट्रियार्की गिव इट अप.
Well, we can give up patriarchy, but patriarchy won't give us very easily.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. We will take a selfie. So guys, please come a little front.
Right.
Okay?